Assalamu alaikum, this is Mehdi Abbas Nathani. Let's talk security. Specifically, how to keep your Flutter apps safe from bots. We're going to build a custom CAPTCHA system. No third-party packages, just pure Flutter code. Why build your own? Control. You tailor the design to fit your app perfectly. Plus, it's a great way to level up your coding skills. CAPTCHAs are everywhere for a reason. They act as a gatekeeper, ensuring that only real people are interacting with your app. This prevents automated bots from causing trouble. Ready to build your own? Let's dive in. First things first, let's set up our Flutter playground. If you haven't already, install Flutter on your system. You can find detailed instructions on the official Flutter website. Once Flutter is ready, fire up your terminal or command prompt. Let's create our project folder. Flutter create custom_CAPTCHA. Now change your directory to the newly created project folder cd custom_CAPTCHA. That's it. Our project is set up, and we are ready to start writing some Dart code. The heart of any CAPTCHA is the challenge itself, that jumbled text users need to decipher. We'll use Dart's built-in class to generate this. Let's create a new Dart file called inside the folder. Paste the following code into it: import Dart math, string generate CAPTCHA text, int length, const chars =, ab def gj klum nopkur stuv wishes 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, random =, return list.generate length, index =, chars random, next int chars.length. Join. This handy function takes the desired length of our CAPTCHA text as input. It then picks random characters from our predefined set of uppercase letters and numbers. The result, a unique CAPTCHA every time. Section 4. Designing the CAPTCHA challenge. Time to make our CAPTCHA visually interesting. Flutter's widget lets us draw directly on the canvas, giving us ultimate design freedom. When designing a CAPTCHA, it's crucial to balance complexity and readability. The goal is to create a challenge that is easy for humans but difficult for bots. Consider adding random lines, curves, and distortions to the text. This makes it harder for automated systems to decipher the CAPTCHA. The logic behind these elements is to introduce unpredictability. This unpredictability is key to thwarting bots. Remember, the CAPTCHA should be user-friendly. Overly complex designs can frustrate users. We've created a widget that uses a CustomPainter. The method is where the magic happens. You can add logic to draw lines, curves, or even distort the text, making your CAPTCHA more challenging for bots. Section 5. Verifying user input. Our CAPTCHA is ready. Now let's allow users to input their answers and verify them. In your main.dart file, set up the necessary imports and create a simple Flutter app structure. The main screen should display the CAPTCHA and provide a text field for user input. When the user submits their input, compare it with the generated CAPTCHA text. If it matches, the CAPTCHA is verified, and you can reset the CAPTCHA for the next attempt. This approach ensures that only real users can interact with your app, enhancing its security. You've successfully built your very own custom CAPTCHA system in Flutter. You can now integrate this into your projects, customizing the design and logic to fit your needs. Please like, subscribe, and share Swift Solve Studios channel.